Hey everyone, welcome back to Today Horoscopes News, where we dive deep into the mysteries of the Zodiac and beyond. If you're fascinated by the cosmos and the ancient wisdom behind astrology, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating insights into the stars. Today, we're exploring the rich and complex history of astrology. You might check your daily horoscope for fun, but did you know that astrology dates back thousands of years and has played a major role in human civilization? Let's take a journey through time and uncover how this ancient practice evolved into what we know today. Our story begins around 2000 BCE in ancient Mesopotamia, specifically with the Babylonians. They were some of the earliest sky watchers, carefully observing the movements of the sun, moon, and planets. For the Babylonians, astrology wasn't just a fun pastime. It was a way to understand the will of the gods and predict important events like harvests and wars. They divided the sky into 12 sections, laying the foundation for what would later become the zodiac signs we use today. They noticed patterns and correlations between celestial movements and events on Earth, giving birth to the earliest forms of horoscopic astrology. Fast forward to around 300 BCE, when astrology found its way to ancient Greece. Here, it was greatly influenced by philosophers like Plato and Aristotle. But one name stands out above all: Claudius Ptolemy. His work Tetrabiblos became one of the most influential astrological texts of all time. Ptolemy refined the Babylonian system, incorporating the idea of planetary rulership and the 12 zodiac signs we recognize today. He also introduced the concept of astrological houses, which further deepened the practice of personal horoscopes. This marked a shift from just predicting the fate of kings and nations to individual readings. The Romans, ever so practical, adopted Greek astrology and spread it across their vast empire. Even emperors consulted astrologers before making critical decisions. However, during the rise of Christianity in the Middle Ages, astrology faced significant opposition from the Church. Despite being labeled as heretical, astrology persisted, especially in the Islamic world. Scholars in the Middle East preserved and expanded upon Greek astrological knowledge, ensuring that it would survive into the Renaissance. During the Renaissance, astrology experienced a major revival in Europe. Thinkers like Copernicus and Kepler, who are famous for advancing astronomy, were also interested in astrology. In fact, Kepler created detailed astrological charts and believed in the influence of the planets on human behavior. It was during this period that the astrological symbols and calculations we use today were standardized. Astrology became intertwined with alchemy and early science, giving rise to a golden age of cosmic exploration. By the 20th century, astrology had transformed yet again. With the rise of newspapers and magazines, astrology became accessible to the masses through daily horoscopes. Who doesn't love a quick glimpse into their day based on their zodiac sign? Thanks to prominent astrologers like Alan Leo, astrology entered the modern era. He emphasized the psychological aspects of astrology, paving the way for what we now call modern astrology. This shift helped astrology remain relevant, even in a world dominated by science. And here we are today. In the digital age, astrology apps, social media memes, and personalized natal charts have made astrology more popular than ever. Whether it's tracking Mercury retrograde or understanding compatibility with your crush, astrology continues to captivate millions around the globe. Astrology has become more than just a belief system. It's a cultural phenomenon. From self-reflection to entertainment, it offers something for everyone. So, why has astrology endured for thousands of years? Maybe it's our desire to find meaning in the chaos of life. Or perhaps it's the comfort of knowing that we're all connected to something greater, the vast, infinite universe. What do you think about the history of astrology? Does it help you feel more in tune with the universe? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into astrology and the zodiac. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up at the stars.